What if you could turn a single product image into a high-converting video, featuring a real-looking avatar modeling your product in seconds? Meet TopView AI, the ultimate tool for e-commerce creators, marketers, and brand owners who want to stand out with stunning avatar-led videos and hyper-realistic product placements. Let me show you how to bring your product to life with just a few clicks. Step 1. Introduction and account creation. Click on the link in the description to head over to the TopView AI website. Now hit the Start for Free button and sign up quickly using your Google account. Boom, you're in. Welcome to the TopView AI dashboard. Let's take a quick look around. Here, you can create powerful marketing videos straight from your e-commerce product images. And look at this, a full suite of TopView's AI tools built to supercharge your productivity. Scroll down and you'll see some stunning pre-made templates as well, really helpful to get started. Step 2. Product Avatar. Time to bring your product to life using Product Avatar. Click on the Product Avatar tool. You'll see a wide range of avatars across multiple categories: general, beauty and personal care, digital products, footwear, food, clothing, and more. Pick one that fits your brand. And yes, they're fully customizable. Click Modify Look to tweak the avatar. Here you can adjust everything: gender, age, ethnicity, even customize with text prompts like image type or description. Want to personalize further? You can upload your own face image to swap it on the avatar. Change the hairstyle, clothing, background, whatever suits your product vibe. Once done, just click Generate. Boom, look at this, a stunning, personalized avatar. Now let's create your product avatar video. Go back, pick your avatar, and click on Replace with my product image. Upload your product photo. TopView automatically removes the background. Now simply align your product placement to match the avatar. Click Confirm Product Position. TopView starts generating new avatar product images. Just a few seconds, and there it is, beautifully merged, natural, and eye-catching. Next, choose your mode. Then click Image to Video Avatar. Wait a few seconds for the magic to happen. And look at this.
I am TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
Your product being modeled by a dynamic AI avatar. Awesome, right? Now let's add your script and voiceover. Click on Use My Script. Select your generated avatar. Here you can type your script or upload audio. I'm entering the script manually. Now choose your voice. TopView offers tons of options in multiple languages. You can filter by language, gender, age, and speaking style. Let's listen to a few.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI power.
I'm choosing this one. Click Confirm. Add subtitles if you want. I'm skipping it for now. Now hit Generate. Name your file, set your resolution, and finally click Export. Let the magic load. And here's your professional product avatar video.
Lakme's perfect radiance range is now elevated to a new level of luxury and effectiveness. The high-resolution clarity of a crystal is now captured in the new Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance range. If you wish for skin that has a flawless and illuminating glow,
fully customized and ready to download. Step 3. Product Anyshoot. Want to place your product into any lifestyle scene? Let's explore Product Anyshoot. First, open the Product Anyshoot feature. Upload a clean image of your product. TopView instantly removes the background. Now, pick a target image to place your product in. You can use TopView's template library or upload your own. I'm uploading this one. Next, use the brush tool to draw the placement area. Make sure to sketch the shape of your product, not existing objects in the background. Done? Set the generation count and click Generate. TopView now gives you multiple hyper-realistic product placements. Just look at these results. Incredible. And yes, you can download them instantly. Now let's make this image move. Click Image to Video. Enter a prompt that describes how the avatar should show off your product. Adjust the duration, mode, and drag to set the motion path. Click Generate and wait for it. Boom, it's alive. The image just turned into a full-on showcase video. Hit download, and you're all set. And that's how you turn static product images into studio-quality marketing videos, all with the magic of TopView AI. On the free plan, you get access to limited generation credits, perfect to test things out. If you need more power with TopView AI, just upgrade your plan here and explore affordable credit packs or monthly plans. Hit the link in the description, try TopView AI today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this blew your mind.